right, today's module is focused on happiness. So, happiness is your relationships with your loved ones and your friends and family. So, your love interests and your friends and family. This video will be focused on interests. So, if you're currently in a relationship, great. We were going to work on how to improve that relationship. Is there certain things you can do each day that make it more positive for that other person, to make them feel special, to make them feel valued? If you're not currently in a relationship, that's fine too. I want you to write down, what does that dream person look like? You know, what is their eye color? What is their hair color? What is their physique? How tall are they? How short are they? What job do they do? I want you to get very specific, and I want you to create this dream character. And you can manifest this dream character, or you can find someone who has similar qualities to this. But the fact is, you want to start thinking about, what would that dream person be in my life, that dream relationship? Because if you can get a clear vision of that person, you can start creating a reality around that person to exist in your peripheral. Because there's billions of people in this world, and I guarantee you could find someone who matches all those steps. You want a person who's looks like this, who has this personality, who treats you this way. You want to be very specific. I want you to spend a good 10 to 15 minutes on this and write down every specific detail you want this person to have, this quality to have. And then I want you to take action. I want you to go outside. I want you to start meeting these people. And if you're very introverted, you can go on, those apps, social media, you can go on dating sites. You can do that too, but I want you to start interacting with normal people. Go up to a stranger and give them a compliment. Yeah, I know it's scary. Just walk up to someone and give them a high five. The act of doing something each day that gets you out of your comfort zone will allow you to find that person in your reality. Because right now, the person you are now, if you're not currently in a relationship, it's because you're not prepared to be in a relationship. So you have to change your thoughts, you have to change your beliefs, and you have to take action. And that's how you find that dream relationship. So let us know, what does your ideal relationship look like? Be as specific as possible. Write it down. Get very clear. Close your eyes. Try to imagine what they look like, what they feel like, what they smell like. You want to incorporate all of your senses into this. And this will help set inside your subconscious mind what you're looking for. And then I want you to start experiencing, start dating, start going out more. And what you'll find is not everyone will match up 100%. And you can keep looking if you want. But you might find that perfect person that you didn't know you were even looking for. So have an open mind, have an open heart, and happy dreaming.